Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Trek Verve Plus 1 Lowstep LT, an electric bike designed for first-time riders and commuters alike. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions matter, and the Verve Plus 1 LT doesn't disappoint. It features a step-through frame, making it incredibly easy to hop on and off. The frame is crafted from Trek's Alpha Gold aluminum, striking a balance between durability and weight. The design is sleek, with a choice of 3 vibrant colors. Handlebars are positioned for a comfortable, upright riding posture, ideal for city cruising or longer joyrides. Controls are intuitive, located conveniently on the handlebars for easy access to the 3 assist levels and 8-speed Shimano drivetrain. Riding the Verve Plus 1 LT is a breeze. Its 250W rear hub motor provides enough pep for speeds up to 20 miles per hour. Whether you're tackling hills or cruising along city streets, the motor delivers smooth acceleration. However, there's a slight delay in the e-assist activation, noticeable especially on inclines. But once engaged, it handles hills with ease. The absence of suspension means you'll feel bumps more than on bikes with suspension. But the bike remains stable, thanks to its robust frame and responsive hydraulic disc brakes. Battery life is a crucial factor for any e-bike. The Verve Plus 1 LT boasts a non-removable 48 volts battery integrated into the downtube, offering a respectable range suitable for urban commuting. Trek offers an optional battery range extender, doubling the advertised range, which is handy for longer rides or commuting without worrying about recharging. One Lowstep LT worth your consideration? Absolutely. With its thoughtful design, comfortable ride, and reliable performance, it's an excellent choice for newcomers to the world of electric bikes. That wraps up our review of the Trek Verve Plus 1 Lowstep LT. If you're interested in more product critiques and in-depth reviews, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Until next time, ride safe and enjoy the journey.